इस साल India will be seeing one of the coldest winters. This will be affecting your parents' health, the market economy of many products, and also boost the sales of many medicines. And extreme cold weathers के पहले we tend to see heavy rainfall जो हमको देखने को मिला at Punjab and at Uttarakhand. And all these effects are seen due to a global phenomena जिसको हम कहते हैं La Nina. By the end of this video, I'll make sure that you and your family are completely safe from this La Nina. अब ये ला नीनिया क्यों होता है? नाउ हमारे नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर में वी गेट टू सी जेट स्ट्रीम्स, पोलर फ्रंट जेट स्ट्रीम एंड साउथ ट्रॉपिकल जेट स्ट्रीम। अब यहाँ से हॉट ट्रॉपिकल्स फॉर्म होते हैं जिसकी वजह से रिपल्स फॉर्म होता है एंड ये रिपल्स ये दोनों जेट स्ट्रीम्स को डिस्टर्ब करता है, स्पेशली द पोलर फ्रंट जेट स्ट्रीम। एंड ये पोलर फ्रंट जेट स्ट्रीम सारे ठंडे हवा को कवर करके रखता है एंड व्हेन दीज रिपल्स डिस्टर्ब दिस जेट स्ट्रीम, it opens up like a door and lets out all the cold air out towards the southern side. Usually हर साल तिब्बत में drought होता है because the Himalayas stop the wind flow towards them. पर इस साल winds Himalayas को cross करके तिब्बत में monsoon हुआ, which is extremely unusual. And that's why इस साल short La Nina होगा. Last year, Delhi recorded a lowest temperature of 3.9 and Rajasthan में lowest था -0.5 and UP around 1.5. And this year, we are expected to see a drop of minimum 3 degrees Celsius, which is massive. अब ये सारे phenomenon की वजह से आपके लाइफ में क्या फर्क पड़ेगा? Well, it's gonna make a huge difference. So ध्यान से सुनो. Last year, La Nina took place in the year of 2012 to 2013. So हमारे पास काफी data है to project what are the issues which are going to happen this year. Number one, water geysers or air heaters का prices are going to skyrocket. So make sure you purchase them well in advance. या तो in a few months you will be wasting a lot of money. और इस साल even Tamil Nadu and Kerala is expected to have a proper winter. Number two, last time जब La Nina हुआ in the year of 2012 and 2020, we saw maximum number of influenza associated circulatory failure deaths. इसका ये मतलब है इन्फ्लुएंजा एक वायरस है which usually affects the lung and ये खास करके elderly population को affect करता है and trust me, this virus is going to spread like crazy during this winters. So every person who is above the age of 50, especially who are diabetic, lung issues and heart issues, my dear friend, he or she is at big risk. So please make sure they are vaccinated for influenza and please consult your doctor. Ab who are the people who should be actually worried? Number one, if you're using any inhalers, या तो अगर आपकी मम्मी पापा को chronic cough है, or if they have had any sorts of pneumonia in the past, please pay special attention. Lastly, to all the heart patients and diabetic patients, please pay special attention. Number one, routine checkups बहुत regularly कर लेना. Don't miss even a single one of them. Number two, don't stop your medications at any cost. Number three, diabetes patients and cholesterol patients, please अपनी दवाई को regularly consume कर लेना. Don't stop it at any cost. Number four, morning walks को avoid कर लेना because this winters is going to get extremely cold. And when you go out in cold weathers, your blood vessels will constrict and ये invariably आपकी heart पे ज़्यादा load देगा. So the chances of you having heart attacks is slightly higher. And trust me, I have been working as a physician in a peripheral government college and I have seen so many heart attack cases during the time of winters. And खास करके I get to see all of these cases at night time. So please make sure your parents and your grandparents are very well insulated, covered and warm. Lastly, please avoid oily food. And I know this chole bhature will be much more tempting. All this bhaji, this deep fried masalas, काफी ज़्यादा tempting होगा. But please try to control it, especially during this time. Especially अगर आपकी cholesterol है, you're a heart patient, you have lung issues, or you're a diabetic. Lastly, general measures जो सबको लेना चाहिए. Number 1, लेयरिंग इज ऑलवेज बेटर देन एयर हीटर्स, क्योंकि यार एयर हीटर्स में यू आर कंज्यूमिंग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, बिल, एक्सपेंसेस, एंड जब आप नेचुरली लेयरिंग करोगे योर बॉडी कैन ट्रैप मोर हीट एंड यू विल फील मच बेटर. नंबर 2, regular health checkups, and this should be done by every person irrespective of the age. I am telling you, irrespective of the age, please kar lena. Number 3, please try to add ghee, nuts and citrus fruits in your diet to build up your immunity during this period. Lastly, if you are traveling to any place, please make sure to check the weather first. Like let's say आप किसी शादी में जा रहे हो, I'm pretty sure a lot of North Indian marriages are happening in and out. Please make sure to stay well insulated, and all these diabetic heart patients and lung patients, please stock up your medications. इस साल बारिश की वजह से a lot of people's lives have been affected so badly. And मैं ये नहीं चाहता हूँ कि ला नीनियो की वजह से किसी का लाइफ अफेक्ट हो. So please share this video in your WhatsApp groups, and please advise your loved ones to take these precautions, because health is everything in our life.